A machinist is the skilled craftsman that takes an idea or a design, a blueprint, and turns it into an actual part using machine tools to do that.
You get more of a hands-on learning than high school can really give you. There's a lot more job opportunities.
We make anything from your cell phone to your car parts, to oil fill parts, aviation parts. I mean, you name it, it comes out of a machine shop.
This program is for anybody that wants to learn how to work with their hands, wants to be a little creative in designing things and actually building things.
You make real connections here, and I haven't met a stranger yet here. I enjoyed every second I was here. Met new people, I learned something new every day. It wasn't a dull moment ever.